In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a button in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive micro interaction that makes your design feel polished and interactive. Start by heading to figma.com and signing in. From the home screen, open your drafts and select the file or project that contains the button you want to animate. This keeps everything in one place and makes it easy to preview your work as you go. With your file open, click directly on the button layer on the canvas. If your button is already set up as a component with variants like default, hover, and pressed, that's perfect. Animations are most effective when you're moving between these clear states. If you're not sure, look for the component and variant labels in the right-hand panel after selecting the button. Now switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. This is where you define how your button behaves. You'll see the interaction section, which controls what triggers the change and where it goes. Click to add or edit the interaction. For a hover effect, set the trigger to while hovering. For a click effect, choose on click. Under action, select change to, so the button transitions from one variant to another rather than navigating away. Next, set the destination under variants. Pick the state you want to move to, such as hover or pressed. This tells Figma exactly which button state to display when the interaction is triggered. If you have multiple variants, you can chain them with separate interactions to cover both hover and click behaviors smoothly. Now choose the animation style. In the animation dropdown, select Smart Animate for a smooth, property-based transition between your variants. A duration around 150 to 250 milliseconds usually feels snappy and responsive. For easing, ease out or ease in out tends to feel natural for buttons, giving a quick start and a soft finish. If your layers share consistent names across variants, Smart Animate will interpolate changes like size, color, corner radius, and shadows more accurately. When you're ready to test, click Preview in the top right present area. A new window will open where you can hover over and click the button to see the animation in action. If it feels too fast, slow, or abrupt, close the preview, adjust the duration or easing in the prototype panel, and try again. Small tweaks make a big difference in perceived quality. And that's it. You went to Figma, selected your project, targeted the button, set up the prototype interaction, chose your variant transition, selected the animation, and previewed the result. Keep iterating until it feels just right.